2016 Tucson. Ice cold air out of this side, warm air on this side. Got a code in there for the passenger mix door, so I want to try to. I just tried to move them bidirectionally, and it fails going back to 0%, 100%. I guess it's already at 100%. Well, let's take a look here. So I'm gonna turn the dial here, see if anything happens. Nothing on there, but I'm changing the driver's side direction. That's direction. That's not helpful. I think that's the wrong PID. Let me take a look. What do we got here? Oh, that's the one I want. Okay. So now I'm turning it, and it is responding. It's the driver's side. So, according to this, low percentage is cold, and high percentage is hot. Focus, come on, focus. Alright, which it does get hot, but this side, let's turn it down. I'm turning it down, and I'm not getting any response, and it is cold. So I'm going right after that. Air mix motor, and should be pretty straightforward. It's under there somewhere, so I got to pull some panels down and give it the old tap test, see if that works. If not, I'm going to make sure I got my powers and grounds, and make sure I can change the percentage using a test light or something like that, just to verify integrity. And then this one should be good. It is freezing cold out today. I think I need a flashlight. I gotta get this panel off here. Take that off. Need a flashlight. It's like a thingy bobber. How's that come down? Okay, so maybe if I take the glove box out. How's the glove box coming out? Okay. It's a... I don't want to take that off. Can I see it? I think that's it right there. No change. Okay, so what happens if I disconnect it? Oh, I disconnected it and went to 0. Ooh. It went to 0. I disconnected it. That's right there. And I'm going to hook it back up right now. Yep. I just want to make sure it's not binded up. You never know, something might be living in there. Got my scope hooked up to it. I am on the yellow wire. This is for the motor. You got the yellow wire and the pink wire is for the motor. So I am in the pink wire actually. I'm in the pink wire and I'm getting it to pull out. Let's see here. Yep, see I turn the dial. Turn that off. I'm getting that. So I'm gonna, it reverses the polarities. Now I'm gonna go on the yellow one. And the yellow, what we got here on the yellow. So it should get 12 volts on that one. Nothing yet. Should be reversing polarity, so 0 volts. I don't know if it needs to be hooked up for me to do this test, but it was, there it is. So as I go to hot, so I got battery voltage there. That's what I expect to see. I got my leads in there. Where does it go to? Ohmage. Okay. And I have, or maybe it's, I'm not sure. 50 point. Does this have a light? It does have a light. 51.7 ohms. Okay, so 51.7 ohms. I don't know if that's good or not, but what I want to do now is I want to give it power and ground to see if I can get the motor to move. I thought I was recording me checking the resistance of the motor. The motor was like 51 ohms. And I tried actuating it by jumpering it, and I couldn't get it to move or do anything different. I have my test light wired in. My test light is acting as the motor. So I should have a light. Well, I'm going to just turn it a little. In the corner you can see the temperature rising. But once I get around 73 or 74, maybe a little higher, I go 77. 77, you see the light go on, right? That's the control module turning it on. Now why is it not turning it on when I'm going down low? I'll start 100%, see if it works. Yeah, 100%. It did work, right? Turn it, I'm gonna hit stop, see if it starts flashing again. It does the little flashy thing. And let's go to 0%.